I have an unboxing video. Another one that I'm excited about. This is a brand that I've never purchased before, at least a handbag. I've never purchased a handbag from this particular designer before. So I'm excited to see what their packaging is like. And I'm also excited just to get the bags themselves. So bags, plural. So thank you for joining me in this unboxing video. Hopefully I can get through this relatively quickly. There we go. Ooh, I'm so excited. I don't know if you can see yet. So nice packaging at the top. Here's the inside. Okay. So the first handbag, as you can see, is in red, and it's from Michael Kors. Not sure if that's how cute. Let me open this up quickly. Oh my goodness, I got this bag for two reasons. One, I was looking for a larger quilted bag, larger than my normal crossbody bags. So that's number one. Oh my goodness, it's so cute and so soft. This is the Michael Kors Soho small chain shoulder strap in leather. Goodness, goodness, goodness. I will share more details later, but couldn't wait for the unboxing. So, like I said, I got this for two reasons. I wanted a larger quilted bag. Excuse the noise from the chain. And also, I can't resist a sale, and this was on sales at Michael Kors as well as at Macy's, and the regular price is $328. Got her for $161, so I can never give up a sale. The second bag I got, same thing, great sale. I don't remember the specific cost of this one, but it was also a great deal, and it was quilted, and because it was such a great sale, I wanted to get this one as well. This one is in the color Cider. It looks like it might be coming off yellow on the screen here, but it's actually a brownish neutral color. I like a light tan color. Maybe cider is a good name for it. Looks like I got some kind of little mark here, so I'll have to check that out. But this one, I won't bore you with the remaining details. I'll do a what fits, maybe even a comparison between the two at a later date. But this one, I don't see the actual tag on it, but I believe it's called the Whitney. I'm not sure, so I'll have to let you know about that. Oh, here we go. Found it. Again, Michael Kors. Yep, it's the Whitney, and it's in the color Cider. I can't really tell if that's coming through. And it's the small shoulder bag. Oh my God, this is so cute. I will do a what fits, a comparison, and all that good stuff. But I got a good sale on her. I don't think I paid more than, let me see. Again, I can't resist a good sale. And the Whitney was, doesn't say on here for some reason. But I'll check that out. So anyway, couldn't wait to unbox them. Never tried Michael Kors before. And I am beyond happy. Look at these two bags. Exciting, exciting. I can't wait to do a comparison. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and comment, hit the notification bell, and all of that good stuff to learn more about these two beauties.